and this is 96 Buckingham Road. It is a spectacular limestone estate on an acre of property. It has over 8,500 square feet of spectacular living space, and today I'm going to walk you through, so let's go. All right, everybody, thank you for touring 96 Buckingham Road. Thank you for being my guests. For more information on this house or any of our other properties, just reach out. And you have a great day. Bye.